Hi, it's Wendy and Colin on the Great Loop. Come join us as we take a float plane tour out of Parry Sound.
All right, Georgian Airlines, Parry Sound. We're doing the Northern Tour. Of course, they said the best flight, but that is our plane being fueled up. Hope our insurance policies are all done. And yeah, you're gonna fly over it carefully.
Are you over at the marina?
Yeah, we're over the marina.
Big Sound?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet, that's where I'm at.
Your boat?
Yeah, I'm living on
Is that like your accommodations?
Yep.
So we're going to the north route, right?
Yep, we're going up to the Point of Barrel, and then from there we'll overfly the Ojibwe Club and the lighthouse. There's a bunch of really cool rocks out there. And we'll fly out west of Painted Rocks, which are pretty nice. They look like an oil painting under the water.
Really?
They're pretty cool.
How many?
Then we'll fly out west to the Limestone Islands, which are, have you guys flown up there before? Way cool up there. And the Limestone Islands are gorgeous. Very tropical looking, and it's a good day for it also. And then from there, we'll kind of creep back down through the Mink Islands and around.
From the Mink Isles, we'll head back east over Parry Island and back to Parry Sound, completing the Northern Loop Tour.
Taxiing on the water in the harbor. We set up for a westbound departure. Climb up 1,600 feet northwestbound from the point.
After taking off, we head northward and fly over Killbear Provincial Park and Georgian Bay, a wonderful anchorage spot. This is Snug Harbor, and again a wonderful example of Canadian Shield with its bogs and evergreens. Here is Franklin Island, which you'll pass on the way if you do Georgian Bay on your loop.
What you doing back there, honey?
Here we are passing the Oak Islands on our way to Puerto Braille. Puerto Braille is a wonderful stop on the loop. It's known for its Ojibwe Club, great anchorages, and the famous Puerto Braille lighthouse. First created by the voyageurs after discovering a barrel of whiskey. They consumed the whiskey and put it on a pole, the barrel, and that was the start of the lighthouse. Next on our flight plan was to fly over the Painted Rocks. As you can see, most of these rocks are below the surface, and it makes a gorgeous painting. If you're familiar with Canada's Group of Seven, they were known for painting the landscapes of the Canadian Shield and Georgian Bay. Here you see a reflection of our plane on the water as we fly over. We turn south and pass over one of Georgian Bay's largest islands on the eastern shore, Shawanaga Island, and its many tiny satellite islands. As you can see, a lot of them are just sneaking below the surface, and they can be pretty tough on your props. Next on the tour was Limestone Island. Georgian Bay is made up predominantly of granite rock of the Canadian Shield. What makes Limestone Island special is the fact it's made up of white limestone rocks, fossils, and bird colonies. This is a provincial nature reserve and it's protected by law. You may visit, but you're not allowed to camp on the island. Next, we pass over the Mink Islands. The Mink Islands are located 25 kilometers northwest of Parry Sound. They are an 8-kilometer long chain of small islands. Some lie just above the water. Many more form shoals just beneath the surface. Again, loopers, mind your props. Marking the southernmost point of the Minks is the famous Red Rock Lighthouse. It was built in 1911 and is very inaccessible. It was manned until 1977. Here we are on a final approach to Parry Sound, completing the Northern Loop.
Pretty fun. As a camper.
That's a good way to look at it.
I like the water's sweet because like your runway's massive.
Yeah.
But the margin for error is a lot less.
Thanks Georgian Bay Airways for a fantastic tour.